Cladco Roof Lights can be installed alongside Cladco steel roofing sheets. Cladco Roof Lights allow for natural daylight to enter your building at a transmission rate of more than 80%. Cladco Roof Lights are manufactured from a high-grade glass-reinforced plastic at a thickness of 1.5 millimeters for durability and strength. The resin-enriched gel coating protects the roof lights from harmful UV rays and prevents moss and discoloration from occurring over time. Cladco Roof Lights are available in 3 profiles to match Cladco corrugated sheeting and Cladco's 34x1000 and 32x1000 box profile roof sheets. Cladco Roof Lights can provide substantial protection from high winds, heavy rainfall and harsh weather conditions such as sleet or snow, protecting your building and the contents within.